Hey guys, Joseph here with a new video, here to tell you more about the Thinkware Q1000 dashcam, and we're excited to give you a first look at the sample footage for it. We're going to have an in-depth review coming out for you soon. You don't want to miss out on all the new features coming out for it, including the Thinkware Connected app. Let's start off with some daytime footage. This is a 2K front and 2K rear dashcam that stands alongside the other 2K dashcams from Thinkware, including the Q800 Pro and the X1000, with various improvements that we'll briefly mention here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on everything Thinkware. The Thinkware Q1000 offers 2K QHD at 30 frames per second at 156 degrees field of view. It comes with a 5.14 megapixel Sony STARVIS IMX335 image sensor. Now let's move on to the rear camera. This is a new rear camera model that's been introduced for the Q1000, so it's different and not compatible with the one offered in the X1000, Q800 Pro, nor the U1000. Also comes with 2K QHD at 30 frames per second, 156 degrees field of view, and 5.14 megapixel Sony STARVIS IMX335 image sensor as well. Moving on to the nighttime footage, the Q1000 comes with Thinkware's latest Super Night Vision 3.0, which uses a combination of digital overlap high dynamic range and noise reduction technology to reduce noise and lens flare effects. Super Night Vision 3.0 is the latest technology from Thinkware and is the latest dashcam to use it after the X1000. The Q800 Pro and the U1000 only uses Super Night Vision 2.0. Last but not least, let's take a look at some nighttime rear footage. And that's it. We'll have more to cover in our Thinkware Q1000 in-depth review soon, where we'll talk about everything new with the dashcam, including the new Thinkware connected cloud features. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Ready to make a purchase? Use code BBMCTube at checkout and get 5% off your next dashcam. Check you guys later.